Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Liz. In today's video, I am doing another DIY. I know I have been sharing a lot of DIYs with you guys recently, but that is because it is the holidays and one of my favorite things to do is to make presents. I do absolutely love to go shopping and get family and friends gifts that I know that they really want, but I also like to add a little touch of me and a little touch of homemade gifts, so that is why I am doing so many DIYs recently. Today I am sharing with you this seriously adorable chocolate candy sled. So it looks like a Santa's little sleigh or a sled, whatever, and it's made up of different types of candy and chocolate bars. So I absolutely love this. I know I would love to get this as like a little gift, so I'm going to share how I made it. It is so easy and I got everything from the Dollar Tree, so it is super affordable as well. So if you want to see how I made this candy sleigh, keep on watching. You are going to need a hot glue gun, you are going to need some large candy bars, you are going to need some mini bows, and some assorted miniature candies, and some candy canes. Okay, so the first step, you need a larger candy bar, and then you need 2 candy canes, and all you're gonna do is hot glue the candy canes like that onto the back of the candy bar. Okay, so step 1 is done. Once your candy canes are hot glued onto your chocolate bar, then we are ready to add on our smaller pieces of chocolate. So for this, I find that these types of chocolates, these little mini squares, work really well for the base. So I'm gonna put 3 of those. So I went ahead and just hot glued 3 pieces of chocolate onto the top. And then now you are going to add another layer. I think I'm gonna do that one next. So this is how it's looking. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish with the Twix on top. And this is how it looks. So it looks like a little sleigh full of presents. It is so cute. Okay, so this is how it turned out. This is the second one I made. You can make it a little bit different, however you want. But I do find that these little pieces of chocolate that are perfectly square, they do really well on the sleigh. So I definitely recommend getting these. And then, yeah, you can just kind of do whatever else you want from there. The last thing I'm gonna do is add a little bow on top, and then we are done. And I'm literally just gonna stick this right up on top. And voila, it is done. Is that not the cutest thing you have ever seen? All right guys, that's going to be it for today's DIY. Like I said, this is so easy. Literally just takes a little bit of chocolate and some hot glue. I think this would be really cute to add like on top of someone's present, like a larger present that you got them, or even just to stick in someone's stocking. This is a really great gift for like a teacher or a coworker or someone that like you know, you don't want to spend a ton of money on, but you still want to get them like a cute little thoughtful gift. This would be perfect. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And that's going to be it. I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye.